Welcome to Darul Madinah. Welcome kids. Today's lesson is A. Capital A. Capital A. Small a. Small a. A for Allah. A for Allah. A for Allah. A for apple. A for apple. A for apple. A for aeroplane. A for aeroplane. A for aeroplane. A for Allah. A for apple. A for aeroplane. How to write letter A? Capital A. Start from the top and draw a slanting line downwards. Go to the top and draw another slanting line down to the opposite side. Now go little below the middle and draw a sleeping line across. Small a. Start from the middle and make a curve reaching the bottom. Next, go to the middle again and draw a standing line downwards. Today's lesson has come to an end and you have learnt how to write and pronounce letter A. See you in the next class. Insha'Allah Azza wa Jal.